Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. You wanted to see the garden, so it's not very much at the moment because it's just going to grow and bush out, but we put in some fuchsias and geraniums and some begonias, and they've all got lots of space. Got some more little bits to go in as well. That piece of paper there, that's going to be nice. I don't know where I've put that now. It just flew off. That's a nice one. Gary liked that because he thought it looked like little English flags. So that's one bed. And then we have, bear with me, got these ones to go in. These ones mostly, apart from the lilies at the back, are small ones to go at the front of things because I didn't have an awful lot of small. And then I'm just going to pause. Then in this raised bed, there's some more fuchsias and geraniums. Lots of begonias. It was limited with choice. They didn't have a great deal. We've got some marigolds. There's one. And I made this little planter with some little things in. The only bit of colour we did have was this. That's about it. But they all go all the way along. Got some dianthus there. And just keep going. That might be that thing that with the lovely yellow flowers on it. Going along, there's another one of them yuccas. And more geraniums. This is just like a geranium bed because I ended up with too many. And a couple of begonias in there. And further along, this is Gary's little bit where he has grown some strawberries and raspberries. So this is the edible section. And then over on the other side we've got a couple of tubs that have got tomatoes in. Oh, and one pepper, which Gary seems to think is called a bell end pepper. I keep telling him it's not, it's just a bell pepper. This grass, we've got some seed to try and get it back up to scratch because it's gone a bit bald. Where Joyce used to have a dog called Womble and he used to tear around the garden like a loony. So I've also got these little tubs. Can't really see that now, the sun's come out. They've got some really nice little plants in, and there's a few of them all the way along the back here. So and the chair is now back where it was. So I'm going to pause it and get set up, and I shall see you in a moment. That's what our sky looks like today. A little changeable, but not. It's still sunny, just not a clear sky. I don't even know if that's going. I think it is. Hi, I'm back. It's suddenly become really sunny. I was just actually dive bombed by a squadron of bumblebees. They were huge, massive things. So I think they like me. Wow, that's gone a bit crazy. Even the sunglasses can't cope. Probably not a good idea to sit next to all these flowers. That might not be the best move. Wow. It was behind a cloud just now. It was raining. We went out to pick up a washing line. I'd had to order it as a click and collect thing from a shop called Argos. Sorry, I had a fly on me. It was tickly. And had to go out to get that. And it was raining. It rained. And I thought, got my washing line. How rude. Just dropped it. At least I found it. Oh, there we go. I think it's on. So yeah, it rained while we were out, but obviously I don't think it rained here. Washing's nice and dry, which is a good thing because it's bedding, and I hate the idea of it because normally if it's just a t-shirts and things like that, you can hang them up in the house. But when it's bedding, it's a little bit more, it's more difficult to dry it. Yeah, so this is Gary's last day. He goes back to work tomorrow, so it feels a little bit sad. I don't like it when he goes back after he's been off for a while. The sun is really strong now. It's been all the time we had to pick up the washing line. It wasn't that great, but now it's absolutely glorious. So I forgot to get the umbrella because I thought it wasn't going to be that sunny with it going behind those clouds. Oh well. So I've been talking to Paul, my eldest, on the phone. They've got some childcare problems. They're both key workers, and it wouldn't be a problem if they worked days. And obviously they keep the schools open for key workers, so they would be able to send the boys to school. Alfie and Bailey are 11 and 9. But because they both work evenings and Victoria works nights and Paul works late, because of that, they've got no one to have them. And the person they did have them, something happened and they can't go there anymore. Nothing that the kids did, but you know, they can't go there anymore. So it's a bit awkward for them. So I'm just been trying to help them sort that out. But it's you know, people have been saying things to her about, you know, you shouldn't be leaving your children with people. So she said, well, what do you do when you're a key worker then? Do you just not go in? You know, the key workers are meant to be going to work still, and Paul works for 111, so he's a key worker, but they're just not catered for their childcare in all the great scheme of things when you work those sort of hours, and they can't change their hours for a while, so it's a bit of a problem. It's not such an easy one to solve when I'd have them like a shot, but I've got to self-isolate. And anyway, trying to work it out with Charlotte, so maybe she can help out. We'll have to see. Sort of in the trying to work it out. Oh, that's good. Hope it stays behind those little clouds. It's getting microwaved. Felt like it anyway. So I thought you might all be getting a bit fed up with my vlog, because yesterday I don't think there was that many views. So either everyone was busy because it was Sunday, or people are finally getting sick of Veda. It's somewhere coming to an end though, so if that's the case, that's not a problem. It will all be over with in a few days now. But people did say they wanted me to carry on, so we'll have to see. Wow. No way. Was that... It's raining. There's no cloud. That was rain. How strange, I'm getting rained on. The sun's out. No clouds, and yet I just was going to say that I've got... My eyes are little pools of perspiration under the sunglasses where the sun was beating down on me. And now I'm getting rained on. Well, I suppose there is one cloud. If it gets too much, I'll have to pause this and go get my wash in. I can't imagine. It's not very much of it. There's hardly any real cloud. For a while I thought maybe I was stuck in somebody's sprinkler. This is crazy. I'm just going to pause it while I get my bed in at least. I don't know if that's going. Is it going? Oh, I can't see it. Hang on. Oh, this doesn't make any better. Yep, it is. Oh, it's so bright. And yet it's raining. I don't understand. Anyway, got the bedding in. I don't care about the rest. It will dry. And I can hang it up 5 seconds. It'll be fine. That is so crazy. I'm getting absolutely blinded. And yet there's raindrops. No rainbow. How weird. There's not even a cloud to rain on me. That's just completely baffled me. I wish I had the umbrella, guys. Amazing. I'm gonna get wet. You believe it? Oh well, that is funny. So Gary's making a nice dinner today. He's making this well, it's a pasta, but they're the giant pasta shells. Managed to get some today. The Argos that I had to go to the click and collect, it was in a supermarket, so I thought, well, we'll just go and get a couple of bits. So I got the almond essence that I needed, and he got his pasta shells and some Italian cheese, and that way we can have this meal. So that'd be nice. Tomorrow I've got to cook. Ew, he wants liver. Not the most favourite thing in the world, but I'm going to have to do it. I make nice liver and bacon, but it's just the thought of eating liver that I hate. The actual thing is not so bad once I eat it. Oh, I don't know, I don't really like it that much. I have to say, it's not my favourite, but I have ate it before. When I was a kid, my mum used to make it. It wasn't my favourite dinner then either. I used to complain a lot about having to eat it. It's got lots of butterflies around today. That's nice. So yeah, got to explain about my left-handed tutorials. It's not that I'm giving up on doing right-handed or that I'm actually sitting there and making them. I'm just learning how to convert them so that they're already existing right-handed tutorials that I'm just converting to left-handed so that people who are left-handed can enjoy them as well. So yesterday I released a few because I was playing with it to get familiar with this, how to do it, and so that's why there was a few uploaded yesterday. But when I do a tutorial from now on, I'll do both, so that I'll put the left-handed people who, you know, try their best to follow the right-handed ones or get used to them can actually watch the left-handed if they want to. God, that is really strong. So don't worry, I'm not giving up doing right-handed ones or making new ones. They are old tutorials that I've already done, but they're just being left-handed modified things, you know. What's the word? Gerrymandered, MacGyvered. You get the drift. You get the drift. So yeah. So don't worry, still going to do the same stuff. Wow. Well, Gary's back at work tomorrow, so I might even be able to get some crocheting done. I was going to finish the rainbow, but he's been watching this thing about astronauts, and it's one of the only reality TV things that's any good. And they put a few, I think it was like 20 candidates that made it through a rigid selection progress for astronaut training, and it's how they're whittling in that down, and the tests that they're putting them through are for astronaut training. And I'm actually quite interested in it, so we watched that yesterday. So I didn't get anything done, but tomorrow I can pick up my hook. I might even get some done later, but we'll see. Hopefully these plants will all take nice. I hardened them off so they weren't wasn't a shock to put them out. I'm hardening these off now. These will go in tonight because when I bought them they were inside. So that's pretty purple. So they're gonna spend a few days coming in and out and then stay out all night, and then they can go in. So I have no idea how long I'm on, or even if this is even going round. Could be talking to myself for all I know. It's just so strong. Normally I have an umbrella, but it wasn't really that kind of day. So I figured, I don't need the umbrella today. Yeah, do. I feel like I'm getting burnt already. I've got cream on, but it is very hot. I guess it's that time of day. I got up really early this morning and I thought I'll do it early. And I thought, well, I'll leave it to a little while till we come back from the getting the washing line. I couldn't believe the time. Still, it'd be nice to have a proper washing line, not this stupid little triangle. Actually get it dry in next to no time on a proper one. So that's another little job for Gary to put that up, and so that I can reach it, hopefully. Can't have it so that I can't reach it. And I thought it's hooking it onto I should pull it out and you hook it onto something, but it's on the flower bed, so I need something I can stand on to make me the right height, that's sturdy. I don't want any accidents. Washing related accidents. Well, I hope they sort the childcare issues out. Nothing worse really than the worry of all that. But I wish I could help. But you know, if I could do it, I'd be looking after Sophia and then I could have more. But oh, hello, butterfly. It's a funny little one. Well, so anyway, I'm going to call it because I'm getting blinded. And hopefully see you all a little bit later on. And I might do a live, you never know. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. So take care, stay safe, bye for now.